Hello friends, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will show you how you can install React.js in VS Code in Visual Studio Code. If you want to install React.js in VS Code, so you need to download VS Code and React.js is React.js. Okay, so to install React.js, you need to install npm and node.js. Okay, so first of all we will install node.js and nps, and after this we will install create react app library, means we will install create react app, and after this we will download and install vs code, and we will see how you can run react.js in visual studio code in vs code. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, before starting the video, I want to show you React.js, Node.js and NPM is not installed in my system. So how you can check this? You can open command prompt and simply type npm version, okay, and press enter. Here you can say npm is not recognized as internal or external command. That means right now npm is not installed on your system. Like this, you can also check node version. Okay, press enter. Here you can see node is not recognized as internal or external command. That means node is also not installed in my system. And like this, you can also check create react app version. Okay, so here you can also see create react app is not recognized. That means these are not installed in my system right now. Okay, so I clean this and I minimize this, and now I will download and install all those things. Okay, so first of all I will download and install node.js. Okay, so simply type download node.js. Okay, press enter. Here you can see the first official website of nodejs.org. So here you can see the link to download node.js. Okay, so click on this, and here you can see there are different version for different operating system. Like you can download Windows installer, Mac installer, and here you can also see the 32-bit and 64-bit, means you can download according to your system or according to your requirements. Okay, the latest version of Node is 18.17. Okay, which include npm version 9.6.7. means if we download and install node.js, npm is by default installed with node.js. Okay, so we will download and install node.js, npm will automatically install. Okay, here you can see this is the node version, and here you can see include npm. This means it will install npm 9.6.7 along with node.js. Okay, so I can download from here. Simply click on download Windows installer. So if you click on this, here download will start automatically. Okay, so I have already downloaded this, so I am not going to download it again. I will simply minimize this, and I will go to the download section, download folder of my system. Okay, here you can see this is the node. Okay, this is the node installer for Windows. So you simply double click on it. Basically you have to run it, so simply double click on it. So once you double click on it, it will start the installation. It will open the installation window here, and here you can see basically it is very simple. You simply follow the step, just click on next. Okay, so click on next. Here accept the terms and condition, accept the license, click on next. Here this is the folder where node.js will install in my system. You can change this if you want to change, but I will keep it as it is. It will install node.js in my C directory, program files and node.js folder. Okay, click on next. Here click on next. So finally click on, so here you can see install. So it will start installation. It will ask you to allow this app. Click on yes. Wait for the installation till it complete the installation process. It will take a few minutes, so you have to wait for the installation. So here you can see completed, means the node.js installation is successfully completed. Here you can see node.js has been successfully installed. So click on finish. Okay, so I have installed node.js. That means it has also installed npm with it. Okay, so now I can check whether node.js and npm is get installed in my system or not. So simply open command prompt again, and I will run all those command again. Simply type npm hyphen version. So here you can see, wait a minute, I have to close this, I think, and open it again, or cmd, or run it as administrator. Okay, so click on yes. So now I can run all those command again, npm hyphen version. So here you can see, it is showing me the version which is 9.8.1. This is the npm version. Okay, so like this you can also check version for node.js. So I will type node hyphen version, press enter. So it is showing the version which is 18.17. So I have installed node.js successfully, and it has also installed npm with node.js. Okay, so that means I have successfully installed node.js and npm. So now what I will do, now I will install create react app. Okay, so you need to run the command for this. Simply I close this. Okay, and I open command prompt again. So now I will type the command to install create react app. Okay, basically it is a react library. So you need to run command for this. So what is the command? Here you can see, npm. Basically npm is a package manager. Okay, so it is used to install any package or uninstall any package in your system. So I will run command npm. This is the command to install create react app library. Okay, so run the command npm install -g create react. That is the name of the library. So npm install -g create react app. That means it will install create react app library globally. So -g means globally. Okay, it will install this library globally. So run this command, npm install -g create react app, and press enter. So once I press enter, it will start installation of this library. It will download some files. So here you can see added 67 packages. That means it has installed create react app library in your system. So now you can check the version of this. Okay, so how you can check the version? Create react app version and press enter. So here you can see it is showing me the version of create react app. That means create react app library is successfully installed in my system. So now I have successfully installed npm node.js and create react app. So now this is the time to create your first react application. Okay, so I will create my first react application. So for this I will create a folder. Let's say I'm not going to create a folder. I will simply install create a react app on my desktop. Okay, so simply go to desktop. Okay, so now I am on desktop. So I will run the command to create your first react application. Okay, so what is the command for this? I will run the command create react app and the name of my application. Okay, so I will provide the name, let's say my, press enter. So here you can see it has started installation or downloading and creating some files. So basically it will create a folder with the name my app on desktop. So it will create your first application. It will take some time, so you have to wait till the process complete. Here you can see on the desktop it has created a folder. Here you can see it has created a folder my app, and it is downloading some files to this folder. Okay, so you have to wait till the process complete. Basically you have installed create react app library in your system. Now you are creating your first react app. So I will show you how you can run this application. Then after this I will show you how you can run this application in VS Code. Okay, so till then we will install, till the process complete, we will install VS Code. Okay, so you have to download VS Code. So simply type download Visual Studio Code. Okay, press enter. So here you can see the first link that appears, which is download Visual Studio Code. It is official website of Visual Studio Code. So you can click on this. Simply click on this, and here you can see you can download for Windows and different operating systems. So I will click on download. So once I click on this, it will install, it will download the VS Code, Visual Studio Code. So I have already downloaded it, so I am not going to download it again. So I will simply go to the my download section, download folder of my system. So here you can see this is the installer for VS Code, Visual Studio Code. So simply double click on it. Basically you have to run this. So simply double click on it, and once I double click on it, it will start installation of Visual Studio Code in my system. I accept the agreement, click on next, click on next, again click on next. Basically you have to click on next, next, next. It's very simple. So here you can see it has started downloading, sorry, installation of Visual Studio Code. Here you can see the my app is creating, my first React app is creating, and it will take some time, it will take few minutes, so you have to wait for the process completes. Okay, so here you can see Microsoft VS Code is successfully installed in my system. So I will simply click on finish, and here you can also see my first React app is about to complete. So I have to wait till the process completes. Okay, so you can see here it has added 1424 packages. So it will download so many files, so it will take few minutes. Obviously it will take some time. Okay, so you have to keep patience and wait till the process completes. Okay, it also depends on your internet connection, so how fast your internet is, so it depends on this. Okay, so it's done. You can see here some command. Let's npm start to start the development server. Here you can see npm test to start the test runner. So here you can see happy hacking. That means you have successfully created your first React app. Okay, so I can show you. I will close this. Here you can see this is the folder, and where all these files are downloaded. Here you can see here it has downloaded so many files. So this is your first React app. So now how you can run it? Okay, how you can run it? You can see here a command to start your app. Cd my app means go to the directory, go to your app folder, and type the command npm start to start your first React app. Okay, so I will close this window also, and I will type the command npm start. Okay, so first of all I will go to the folder, my app folder. So I will go to the cd, I simply clean this first, cd my app. So now I am on my app folder. So now I will type the command npm start to start my first React app. So it will start the React server. Okay, it will start the server, and it will run our first React application. Here you can see it will start automatically. It has started, it has opened a browser window, and it will start the React app here. Okay, so wait the type, you can manually type here localhost this. Okay, so here you can say you are saying this logo, this React logo on your window. That means you have successfully installed or run your React app, your first React app. So congratulations, you have successfully installed and run your first React app. Here you can say it is running on this server. Okay, so so now I will show you how you can run your first React app in VS Code. Okay, so I will close this. Okay, and to close this you simply type control Z, sorry, control C, type yes. So it has stopped the server. Okay, so I will close this. So now I will open VS Code. Okay, so simply open VS Code, your Visual Studio Code. So if you are running your VS Code first time, so it will look like this. So now simply open the folder in VS Code. It's not necessary, but I want to show you some files. So simply open folder. So I will open my React folder that I have created, my app. Select this. So now you can see it has opened, the folder is open in your Visual Studio Code. So here you can see there are so many files and folder in this. So this is the other thing I will show you what are these files and what are the use of all those files. So now our main point is how you can run your React app on your Visual Studio Code. Okay, so basically your VS Code has a command prompt inbuilt inside this. Okay, so you simply go to the, so you simply click on this. Basically this is the toggle panel, how where you want to install your terminal or command prompt. You can open your command prompt or terminal in the bottom, in the left, or in the right. Okay, so it's up to you. So here you can see it has opened terminal. So now you can run all those commands here. Okay, because VS Code has its own terminal like the command prompt, so I can type all those commands here. Okay, so now you want to install, you want to run your React app in VS Code, so you can run the type, you can type the command npm start. Okay, but before this you have to go to the folder my app. So I am already in my app folder. If you are not, you can go to the cd my app. Okay, so you have to be in the my app, your folder directly. Okay, now command, run the command npm. So if I, now you can see it will start your React app automatically. Means you are running, means the command that you are running on command prompt, you can run all those commands in VS Code also. So now you can see it's running successfully. So congratulations, you have also run your first React app in your Visual Studio Code. So the thing is that you can run all those commands in VS Code terminal. Okay, so that's it. I hope you have successfully installed React app, create React app in your system, and you are also able to running this this create React application in your Visual Studio Code. So if you like the video, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and share with your friends. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video. So bye bye and take care.